Pakistan is not only a country, rather a phenomenon, which is soaring high and is demonstrating its capability on a daily basis, not across the length and breadth of the country, only but outstretched now to global borders. From industrial development to economic growth to technological evolution, the canvas is densely fused with an ever-emerging facet of Pakistan in every sector. CPEC, a landmark project in the annals of history of Pakistan by now, has seen completion of 9 out of 22 energy projects, owing to which Pakistan is generating 5,320 megawatts of electricity to meet the targeted power supply. Not only this, Pakistan has also drawn the world's largest oil company, Saudi Aramco, to develop a massive oil city in Baluchistan Gawadars district, housing a $10 billion Aramco oil refinery project under CPEC. The proposed mega oil city will be developed on 88,000 acres of land and will host the infrastructure to refine and process petroleum products imported from the Gulf region. In a move to boost renewable energy in Pakistan, the government is issuing the country's first green bonds, which is a fixed income instrument that's specifically earmarked to raise money for climate and environmental projects. The socioeconomic development has welcomed 2021 as the historic year for Pakistan's auto sector, where for the first time in the history of Pakistan, more than 15 new cars are being launched in a single year. With Indus Motor Company's net sales soaring over 200% to 2.96 billion rupees is the biggest turnover. Pakistan's Daewoo Express, China's Skywell Automobiles, and Sweden's Hitachi ABB Power Grids have partnered to revolutionize Pakistan's transport sector even further by introducing electric buses and other electric vehicles. This new venture is fully aligned with Prime Minister Imran Khan's clear, compelling vision of a clean, green Pakistan. The offshoot of global investors has particularly been hailing the food and tourism industry, where the biggest flame-grilled chicken franchise in the UK, Pepe's, is now investing huge in Pakistan. Being considered as a lucrative asset in trade cooperation, South Africa also anticipates $1 billion in trade with Pakistan. With the Emancipation of Community Tourism Initiative, Gwadar Stadium is to host a friendly cricket match between Karachi Kings and Quetta Gladiators on March 25, 2021. The tech talent of Pakistanis with their competitive and digital-savvy streak ranks Pakistan as the world's third biggest contributor in online labor. To focus on emerging markets and other areas where technologies can be applied to their fullest, LUMS, Lahore, is to launch Pakistan's first-ever academic program in cryptocurrency. Karachi, the economic hub of Pakistan, is seen to be taking a competitive lead by launching state-of-the-art technology park in Sindh to provide high-end technological facilities to local software houses and companies. With Pakistan extending a $50 million line of credit for defense purchases to Sri Lanka, to reviving transnational train service from Islamabad to Istanbul, Pakistan is heralding a new era of progression, economic opportunities, and diplomatic engagements hitting the global corridors.